Hello everybody, good afternoon all of you. It's me Shamal. You know that I am standing beside the road. The weather is so beautiful. Right now I want to go another village. This village is happened program. I want to attend this program, but in this moment this road is so a little busy. You can see a lots of vehicle. I you can see lots of motorcycles and another vehicles are going on the road because it's second day of Eid. That's why people are so free. 2 kilometer far, there is a river that's called Bileghat. The people's going to their spending their free time, and it's coming to evening. That's why they go to their own shelter. Own house. So everybody, in the moment, I want to go to another village. A program which is a Hindu festival. I want to join this program. So in this video, I will show you a little moment of the program. The road is so busy and weather is so clear. That's why I'm trying to some record. After that, I will show you some moment of the program in this video. These are three kids. They went to the program. They are coming on their house. So, what's the name? তোমার নাম কি?
আমার নাম প্রশান্ত।
তোমার নাম?
প্রবীক।
এর নাম?
My name is Shubhu.
Oh, he's say his English, so that's good. He will be one day good English expert, I think. So everybody, they went to the village, the program. They are coming, and I am going the program. Everybody, I have decided to go alone the village, but he's Niloy. He said me, I also go with you. I said that okay, you can go with me. If we go together, we will enjoy more and more enjoy. So everybody, this road is so busy. Today is so busy. You can see since I start my recording camera. In the road, motorcycle are going. Another car is going. So today is so busy. Next 3 or 4 days will so busy this road. After that, 5 days later, this road will not busy like that. Maybe a 3 star more. There are lots of people standing here and gossiping, and some of cars going, coming. It is a Hindu cultural program, so we will go to and we will enjoy the program. Program name is Huribasho. It is a Bangla call Huribasho. So I will share you some moment watching this video. I have reached the program. You can see lots of people are sitting and they are listening carefully. The voice, the man saying a topic about a Hindu religious topic represent by singing. You can see. I will show you this program and I will try to show around the program. I'm sitting here and I will show you backside of the program. You can see little shop. They are selling some foods, toys. It is a kind sphere. So everybody, thank you so much watching this video. See you another video. Bye. Take care.